55,000, man.
155K cash. This baby. Good morning, YouTube. Another day. Uncle Tony, how are you feeling?
Good.
We're gonna go get the truck.
Another day, baby.
Yeah, let's go get this truck. Just woke up. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Got a croissant.
See, Hino, a Toyota group of companies.
Yeah. Wow. The inside of the truck.
They put the bars perfectly.
Massive. Damn.
Smells brand new.
Yeah, it smells brand new. Well, it's supposed to be. Yeah.
Thank you. How much are we for that? Or that's it in the
You know what? I saw them.
I saw it. Oh, that is beautiful.
I went to the floor mats for you, and I saw them in the box. I said, "These are supposed to be for the show truck." So I said, "No, come on for it."
Thank you. That is nice.
Beautiful. Are you gonna miss your old girl?
I'm gonna miss that truck, man. That truck made me fucking rich.
Okay, so get.
Beautiful, beautiful truck. Damn. New baby.
Going up in the road. What's plastic up?
Yeah,
Oh, you're filming it.
yeah.
Go ahead, babe.
Nice seats.
Take off your mask.
And to all my women that are watching this video, I encourage you all to stay open-minded. The reason why I'm so open to learning is because I understand the power of knowledge and just being open about things in life, because you never know what you're going to have to do for work one day. So you never know your girl will be driving trucks, because, you know.
You want to eat or anything? About 55,000, man.
155K cash. This baby. Yeah, I didn't buy this shit. You guys know that. Can't even buy my own food. Yeah, it's Uncle Tony's truck.
So your oil, great. Your fuel.
Fuel filter. That changes every 3 changes or 2 changes, I think.
Yeah.
I'm going to be bringing it into Hino though, so you guys are going to know.
Alright, let's take this baby home. TT? Let's do this, man. Doors closed. Wow. Are you impressed?
Yeah, man, it's a good truck.
Yeah.
Actually, it's nicer than I thought it would be.
Same.
This is fucking serious. Brake, I got used to the braking.
Uncle PJ checking out it.
Look at the driver's seat, Uncle Beach.
Really nice.
Yeah.
The drive soft.
Yeah, it drives off nice.
So we didn't have it all this time. How's
Take
your brother
care.
doing?
Yeah, he's alright, man. Yeah. Uncle PJ had to inspect the truck first. Natural inspector there. You look good. So Uncle PJ is a Guyanese man. He's one of Uncle Tony's best friends. So we, you know, brought it for him to check it out. Pete Brainer, big up Uncle PJ. We just came to pick up Mama Belle. Hey, Mommy. Wow.
Get up, Mama Bear. Watch now.
Why are you so hot? Are you my mom or my sister?
Mama Bear. Yes, baby. What now?
What's up, sister friend?
Shadi, does it look like an SUV inside?
Yep.
If you hear this thing shift now.
Guys, we're all in the new truck. We just picked up Mom. We're gonna go get a coffee at Flying J's. The Alberta video will be up, and you will know what you know when I say Flying J, it just brings back.
Tell me what you think of the ride, Patis.
What do you think about it, Mom?
Beautiful.
Yeah, right?
Wow.
A little bit.
We just put on the AC. Rock and roll, babies. Why is my mom prettier than me? They are
She only
not.
guy in your picture, and then she said she looked like her mom. I said, he's a nice guy, Tori. You like him? Tori, cool.
Yeah, so we're going to like one of the biggest truck stop ever.
This one is always fucking crowded. Let me park and get a couple of coffees.
Flying J, we're here. Missed you, baby.
Come on, I move up. I don't want gas. I just want park.
Hi, Mom. Damn, girl.
Look at the quick coffee tailgate. Look at this thing. Inside.
Beautiful.
You smell the fresh steak. Watch it.
Brings back memories. Are we up north?
I mean, with the wife and daughter too. What did you get the food?
Yeah, I got some food. Bitch.
Imagine, we're years, eh?
For you.
For the rest of my fucking life is beer one for me.
Thanks, TT. Thanks, TT.
Now get y'all
Funny,
coffee.
you smell terrible.
Buddy,
Bye, Mommy.
please stay behind the truck when you come out there. You
Bye,
walk away from
baby.
it.
Go in front. Walk in front of the truck. Love you. Just drop Mom back off at work. Yay! So you're going with it?
This is all the products they make to help people comfort chairs. Remember I talked about chairs or lifts? Those are lifts.
So
chairs.
they're the actual creators of all these things? Why does this look like a
They're
casket?
made in Poland and they're made in Switzerland and Czechoslovakia. All
Yeah.
from Europe. It's a Europe. Okay, if you want to lift, these are the tubs that we deliver to you guys. This tub can go up. These are tubs. The big beds are a big bed. See, this is what Arjo does. So these things go all over to every hospital and old folks home you can think about. See?
I can see.
When you see this now, you get an example of what they do.
Yeah.
What do you think we just Steve like it? He's so
It is cool. Alright, YouTube, so I'm back home. Everything's perfect with the truck. Uncle Tony's set and ready to go to work tomorrow. We just came back. It's already nighttime for some reason. Went to the West Indian store, picked up some flatbread. 1, 2. Oh, this is actually tennis roll. Because you know we like this stuff. Bobby like bread. Got some pastries. Mommy don't start eat these. It's like a mixture. It's like a pastry, like, you know, basket. So we got shiny cake, cheese roll, pine tart. Then I got some crunchy mithai because nobody now invite me to their wedding. So can't get dig dirty. So I just create my own dig dirty. Then Got some plantain chips, another essential. Right opposite the West Indian store is Chung's Caribbean Hut, and if you know, you know. Shout out to Chung, we love your food. So we got pepper shrimp fried rice, and a beef lau mein from Katoni. This is all I'm going to show you guys before I end the vlog. Take it in. No, don't even ask. I'm not sharing. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna go eat now. It was a pleasure having you all in my life today. I love you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. A fun one coming soon, of course. You see, I'm trying to change things up a little bit. Give some love and support to this video. Like it, share it, or just subscribe to my channel, honestly. And comment below what you guys want to see me do in Canada.